In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneNote to OneDrive. We're going to walk through this in the OneNote web experience so your notes save and sync to the cloud automatically. Start by opening your browser and going to OneNote on the web. If you're prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account so OneNote can connect to your cloud storage. Once you're in, you'll land on the OneNote home screen. This page is designed to make it quick to pick up where you left off or start something new. Front and center, you'll see a section that lists your recent notebooks. This is where your most recently opened and edited notes will appear. If you already have notebooks saved in the cloud, you can open one from here, and it will continue saving to its existing location. If you're starting fresh, we'll create a new notebook so it's saved to OneDrive from the very beginning. Select Create New Notebook. Give your notebook a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, especially if you keep multiple notebooks for work, school, or personal projects. When you create a notebook in OneNote on the web, OneDrive is typically the default storage location, which means your content will autosave and sync. If you're offered a location choice, pick OneDrive, and, if you like, choose a specific folder to keep things organized. After the notebook opens, look to the upper left area of the screen for the notebook control, the tab or drop down that shows your notebook's name. This is your anchor for notebook settings and location details. Open that control to view options such as opening the notebook in OneDrive or seeing notebook information. These options confirm where the file lives and help you jump straight to its OneDrive folder when needed. Finally, verify that OneDrive is listed as the file location. In OneNote on the web, you'll typically see OneDrive indicated near the notebook name or in the info panel. That confirmation means everything you type, paste, or draw is being saved to the cloud in real time. There's no separate save button, changes are committed automatically, and you can access the same notebook from the OneNote app on your phone or desktop or directly from OneDrive. That's it. You've opened OneNote on the web, created a notebook, located the notebook control in the top left, and confirmed that OneDrive is the storage location. Keep an eye on the sync status if your connection is spotty, and you'll have a reliable, backed up notebook ready anywhere you sign in.